Hey, how's it going? It's Tim. I'm a commercial photographer and video maker in the UK, and today we're in the gym, which is why it's kind of noisy. Now, during the gym session today, we got chatting about some of the videos my trainer had seen, like the camera tricks and the magic stuff. A bit like remember the Ailey video? Let me pop that in here a sec. Still love that video, it's fun, isn't it? So we talked about maybe we could do something at the gym here. Now my kit was in the van, so I thought, well, let's bung some lights up and see what we can make. So the idea is we're gonna have a bar, and as the trainers lift the bar up, it's gonna reveal the next trainer. Bit off the cuff, a bit of a challenge, fingers crossed it's gonna work. Let's give it a go. Okay, back from the gym, had a shower, had some food, drunk some coffee, everything's good. Now, I thought rather than drag you through the whole edit on this one and bore you to tears as I click, 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 we're gonna jump through some of the key points on making this edit work. And from there, you can probably make it up for yourself and make it work and get the effect. So let's pop into the computer, open Premiere and After Effects and get to it. We're in Adobe Premiere and we're gonna start the video with Charlie. Charlie's gonna walk in and pick up the weights. Boom, comes down, and then the second time he goes up, that's the time we're gonna swap to Jade. So, I've dragged the Jade clip down here. This is Charlie up here, Jade there. So if I take Charlie's clip, you can see Jade. Now what I've done is I've lined them up, so as they lift, that bar moves as close as possible to being the same. So this makes it easier to mask one bar and not have the other bar sort of coming in and out of frame, because that would just break the effect. Once got all the trainers set up like this, so the video comes in with the right person, next person lifting, next person, and at the end Amy walks out. I can select the lot and drag across, right click, and hit replace with After Effects composition. What this does is it takes the layers, pops them into After Effects ready for editing. I like to use After Effects for creating masks and cutouts. Premiere gets a bit finicky and a bit slow, and you can't apply two masks to the same layer. That becomes a bit of a problem. After Effects is just way easier. Okay, we're in After Effects and we're looking at my final set of edits. And this is great for explaining what I've done. So for each trainer, there's two layers, apart from Amy. That's because Amy hasn't got any masking. So we've got Charlie, Charlie 2, Jade, Jade 2. This means that I've got separate layers and it cuts where there's no editing on that layer, there's no masking on that layer. And then it cuts to the layer that does have the masking, just so for review afterwards and when you're working on it, you can find quite easily where your edits stop, where your masks stop and start, and just keeps it nice and clean. So it goes, Charlie comes in, and that's no masking, and then we cut to Charlie 2, and you can see the mask there. And as he comes up, you can see the mask moving, revealing Jade's legs, and boom, there's Jade. And that layer finishes, revealing this layer below, which is Jade. And then Jade 2 is here, because as we come along to the end of that Jade layer, there's the mask appearing, revealing the next person's feet, and she goes up, boom, reveal. End of that layer, reveals the next layer. So, easy as that. So to play through and see each mask, here comes Charlie, boom. And then ready to reveal, there's the mask, and it follows up, follows the bar, boom. Come down, ready for the next lift, there it is. There's our mask, and the mask follows up, bang. We play through, then our final mask's on this layer here, as it comes up. As the bar comes down, boom, feet change, and up. Now to hide the feet change, there's a few things I've done. With videos like this, it's great to film it locked off on a tripod, but put some handheld movement effects into the end. Really sells the effect, kind of hides the fact that you've got masks running, and people kind of assume it's much harder to do because how did you mask that when the camera's shifting because it's handheld? Well, truth is it wasn't handheld, but it looks like it's handheld now. And then it's nice to have some kind of shock movement to hide changes like the feet changes here. Back in Premiere to show you this, we've got as the video plays, we've got a little shake as the weight comes down, boom. So come back. There you go, bang. It's that little camera shake. And that helps hide the feet change. And doesn't completely make it disappear, but it's less obvious. So what I've got here is inside my nested sequence. The video clip plays through and I've just cut it where the weight lands. And just there, go to here, see it step through. Dump and back up. It's a really subtle little movement. And I've added to it with a little bit of directional blur, just to accentuate it a bit. It's kind of cartoony and over the top, but a video like this I think can carry that off pretty well. The weight comes up, and Charlie brings it down, boom. Then added in a little bump noise as the weights hit the floor, a little whoosh noise as it goes up, just to accentuate things a bit more. And it's pretty much done. So I think it's about time that we took a look at the video. Hey, how good does that look? So not particularly hard thing to pull together. It's more about the planning and a bit of attention to detail, and you can make super cool things like that. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, and if you like videos like this, hit subscribe. About twice a week I put up a new video with tips, tricks, behind the scenes for photography and video. And until next time, have an awesome week. See ya. Bye.